Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or hide a comment box border using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and see this comment box and this comment box border. I'll hide this comment box border. Simply click on this comment box and select. Now in properties option. This is border color option and simply select animal border. Border style. Solid. And see this. This border no hide. And this one also. What is border? No color. And border style. So we select solid and see this one. There is no border. In this way you can hide or visible your comment box border. And finally save this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.